Hello and welcome to Deck Builder San Jose, where we talk all things outdoor living. Today we are talking about small backyard decks and how to make them feel bigger and more useful than they look on paper. When space is tight, the first step is getting clear about what you want the deck to do. Do you need a spot for a table and chairs, a couple of lounge chairs, or just a clean landing and stairs down to the yard or patio? Trying to fit everything into a small footprint usually makes the deck feel cramped. Picking one or two main uses keeps the layout simple and more comfortable. Shape matters too. In tight spaces, simple rectangles and clean lines usually work better than curves and odd angles. Straight edges make it easier to place furniture and keep walkways open. The direction of the deck boards can also help the space feel longer or wider, depending on how they run compared to the house and yard. Even a small deck needs a solid structure. Posts, beams, and joists must be sized correctly so the deck feels firm underfoot, not springy. On compact decks, people often stand closer together, and furniture may take up a larger share of the surface, so good framing helps keep the deck feeling solid when it is full. Strong connections and hardware matter just as much here as on a big deck. Railings and stairs are another key piece. On a tight deck, bulky rail posts or wide rail caps can eat up floor space and make the deck feel closed in. Careful planning keeps railings strong without taking over the area. Stairs should be placed so they do not cut through the main seating or dining zone. Often, tucking stairs to one side or running them along the edge keeps the center open. Materials can help the deck feel bigger and stay easier to care for. On a small deck, you see every board up close. Choosing low-maintenance composite decking, like TimberTech, can keep the space looking clean and consistent with less work season after season. Lighter colors can make the deck feel more open, especially in yards where fences or neighboring buildings are close. Finally, think about how your small deck connects to the rest of the yard. Adding a simple path, a small patio at the bottom of the stairs, or a step down to a gravel or lawn area can extend how the space feels and functions. The idea is to treat your deck as part of a larger outdoor plan, even if each piece is modest in size. If you want help planning a small deck that still feels solid and useful, Tough Deck Builders San Jose can walk you through the options. You can reach our team at 408-831-7954 or visit toughdeckbuilderssanjose.com to learn more about our deck construction services and design ideas for tight spaces. Thanks for listening to Deck Builders San Jose. When you are ready to turn a small footprint into a strong, practical deck, reach out to Tough Deck Builders San Jose for straightforward guidance and dependable outdoor construction.